Today we're on location somewhere in Western Kentucky checking out this huge DEA cage. Some important specifics about this cage: it is over 220 feet long by about 80 feet and over 40 feet tall. This cage in particular goes all the way to the roof. If it doesn't go all the way to the roof, per DEA specs, the cage has to have a ceiling on it. In addition to that, all the panels have to go flush to the floor, and on the inside of the cage where all the hardware is located, this cage, the nuts are welded to the bolt to prevent tampering once it's installed. Our DEA cages are meant to hold class 3, 4, and 5 drugs. And you'll notice on the inside of this cage, there's a vault. The vault is meant to hold class 1 and 2 drugs. So a lot of times you'll see our cages used in conjunction with these at these large pharmaceutical warehouses.